Hi everyone, in front of me I've got UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case it is almost 2 hours which I've spent on the settings, and much less time on the others. We've got also the unlocks and notifications count. And if you'd like to check some further details, you've got two different ways to do that. You can either tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can tap on them, compare them, etc. And under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with a specific time you've spent on them. And the second thing is to tap directly on the app. So I assume that you will have much more apps here than only the settings, like in my case. So for example, settings, some kind of social media, maybe games or whatever. And then all you have to do is to tap on specific app and you will be transferred to the dashboard again, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. What if you decide that you're spending too much time on the screen? This tablet has the solution for that. All you have to do is to scroll down, and as you can see here we've got ways to disconnect. I will not explain all of them, but let me for example focus on the app limits and on the focus, why not? So app limits, let's enter this section. If you decide that you're spending too much time on 1 or 2 or 3 apps, it depends of course, for example social media apps, you can try to set the app limits. So let's pretend I'm spending too much time on the camera. So all we have to do is to tap on this hourglass icon next to it, and here you've got the app limit. So you can set for how long you'd like to have this app active. So for example, during a day, I'd like to have it active for 1 hour and 30 minutes. I don't want to waste my time on the camera, so only 1 hour and 30 minutes of using it a day. Of course, if you want to, you can set 0 hours and 0 minutes, which means that it will be immediately blocked. So let's set this 0 hours 0 limits, and as you can see here we've got the camera which is totally blocked. We cannot really enter it because it is blocked obviously. Let me show it to you here. As you can see, it is blacked out and we cannot enter it. I mean, of course we can, because after tapping on it we can just go to the settings and turn it off and then enter the app, but still we've got this warning that this app is limited. Alright, so this is how it works with app limits, and I wanted to show you a focus mode. So just tap on it, and let's pretend that you're working or you're after work and you'd like to spend the time with your family or rest or study or do whatever you want, and you don't want to be disturbed. So all we have to do is to select distracting apps. All of us have distracting apps, for example YouTube Music or social media again, or I don't know, games, whatever. Then all you have to do is to find those apps in this list, just mark them. So let's pretend the Chrome is something like that for me, and the Drive, and maybe Gmail. So mark the apps, and as you can see they will be listed right here in your distracting apps. Then all we have to do is to set a schedule. So we can set the schedule for different days of our choice, for different hours of course too. It's really totally up to you. Something like that maybe, and then all we have to do is to tap on set, and during that your device will basically limit the notifications from those apps, so you will not really be disturbed and you will be able to focus on more important things than that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.